It's like it's all clicking. Hold on. Yeah, tilt it. Yeah.
It won't come out.
It will, tilt
Stand up
it.
then and do it.
No, because I should fall or something. Oh,
Here,
excuse
Pauline, guess what?
We recorded you
The
doing that.
hiccups are gone.
Yeah, they were gone before she even done that.
Look, the floor is shuttered.
No shit, honey, and could spit the water. I'm McLovin.
Elaine, you're going to pick up every one of fucking them now in a minute.
I threw him in the
I
sink.
don't care where you throw 'em.
Fuck on.
That's don't make me pick him up.
Fuck on.
I guarantee you they'll come back in 2 seconds.
Oh, shut up.
They're gone.
Hooray!
Are they gone? Yeah, you have to drink backwards.
Yeah, but I thought that was the backwards.
It's like Bally go backwards.